Hi, I'm Scott Taylor, and I'm here with the entire Keystone Cougar team to tell you about the exciting, very special edition Cougar that will be shipping beginning in February of 2023. Generations of RVers have fallen in love with quality, innovation, and style of the Cougar's luxury travel trailers and fifth wheels. Every year we develop award-winning floor plans and features that surprise and delight our buyers. The all-new Cougar Sport is a limited run edition, finely tuned for adventure-ready fifth wheel buyers with, check this guys, MSRPs in the mid-40s. Don, Brian, we gotta show our viewers what this thing has.
Folks, let's have a look.
Guys, I still can't believe we're inside a coach that's MSRP priced.
It's unbelievable.
Pretty awesome for our campers, right?
Awesome.
Well, hey, don't forget, this thing's under 26 foot. People might think that we forgot the bathroom in the bedroom.
Oh, go up the stairs. What's up
those stairs?
We didn't. Queen bed, no carpet up there, full wardrobe, right? Walk-in shower with a retractable shower door, space saving. It's awesome, right? Who has that in a fifth wheel, especially in this price point? We do, they don't.
And you're not gonna believe it, but it has solid surface countertop, undermount sink, and a porcelain toilet.
Awesome point. And both nightstands have those inverted prep outlets, right? So when you have that inverter, CPAP machines.
You know what else is cool? This thing's a 50 amp coach, so it's prepped for a second air conditioner if you need that up front.
Awesome. Unbelievable.
6,700 pounds dry weight. Starts out in the mid-40s on the MSRP. I mean, this thing has a lot to offer.
Sleep 6. Now you're going to show them the one that sleeps 12.
That's exactly right. 2,700 BH, here we go. You have the opportunity to see the 2,100 rear kitchen. I'm actually sitting inside the 27 BH now, which stands for bunkhouse. I'm sitting here with Jim and Nate. Guys, what do you think about this?
It's killer.
Yeah?
It's unbelievable.
There's nothing out there in the market that's like this. Nate, when you walked in, what'd you think? First impression of the kitchen?
Storage galore. I think we counted 19 storage areas with cabinets and drawers. Yeah. Countertop space everywhere is a big thing you're gonna notice right away. And then windows under 35 feet, all these windows here.
Absolutely, Jim, tell us, so I mean, sleeping wise, this is unbelievable.
He said 35 feet, it's 32 feet, right? We're under 32 feet.
Under 32, yeah.
Wow. Under 32 foot.
And you can sleep 12 people. There's nothing out there in the market like that.
Nobody else does a triple double bunk on the back of the trailer as well. And what's unique about that lower bunk, you can use that as a bunk, but you can also take that bunk out of there, and now you've more than doubled your exterior storage. Oh, by the way, mid-40s MSRP. Nobody else out there like that. We are in a class of our own right now.
Just can't believe it.
Well, guys, I love it. Thanks a lot. Let's go meet up with the other guys. Guys, I mean, awesome. What do you think? Awesome. All right, good. Cougar Sport is an incredible opportunity for new buyers to get into their very first Cougar, and they will only be available for a limited time. Cougar Sport will debut at the Florida RV Supershow in Tampa late January and will be available nationwide mid-February. For more information, check out Keystone's website for full details. Guys, let's do this. What do you think?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.